I feel like my life has been in shambles. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are doing a December reset today. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys everything I'm gonna do to refresh my home, refresh my mind, literally reset everything. Like, it's not too late. We're still in the first week of December, okay? So if you haven't set aside the time yet to do a little reset for yourself for this month, maybe you want to pause, get ready, and we can do it together in this video, or maybe you just want to be here for the vibes, chill, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna start tonight, random evening night at 9 p.m. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Thank you so much for watching and joining us over here. I make videos about productivity, beauty, lifestyle, a little bit of everything, fitness. I've been dabbling, whatever my heart desires, but generally lifestyle would be like a big bucket. If you're interested in that, check out my channel. If you like what you see, I would love for you to subscribe. And if you like the video, please remember to like at some point throughout the video. So it's very unlike me to just randomly start a video and not plan too much ahead. Today when I woke up, I said I am not going to bed until I clean my space, until I tidy my space. It's not happening. I'm not letting another day go by. I think cleaning or organizing, refreshing your space is definitely a very important part of any reset, because you know that saying where like your space is a reflection of your mind? That is very true. My mind right now is chaos and my apartment is chaos. So they really are going hand in hand together. Now I am gonna do the reset over the next 2 days just because I don't have time to do everything in one day. Today I'm really gonna be focused on the cleaning, on the environment, making my space look nice. Let's go clean right now. This is the end of my clean. Somehow I had the energy to clean until 2 a.m. Crazy. Nothing to say other than the apartment is spotless. Good night. I will see you tomorrow to continue our December reset. Going to do some morning skincare while I talk to you guys. So very late night last night, which I know some of you might be like, girl, you're crazy. Like, why are you up at 2 a.m. cleaning your apartment? But I am a night owl, so it wasn't too bad. And the way I was so motivated to get everything done, the time went by fast. I don't want to say I was having fun, but I was in my flow, you know? This morning when I woke up and walked into the kitchen living room area, I can't remember the last time I felt so calm and at peace first thing in the morning, because everything was just perfect. So lately I've been trying to replace my morning scroll with morning reading. Throughout November, I was doing it quite often, and then I fell off a little bit by the end of the month. But the days that I did do that and I started my day off reading and just like relaxed, my days just went so much better. I'm just trying to be way more mindful of my social media consumption. What about you guys? Like, how have you been consuming social media? I just feel like sometimes I get so burnt out and I have to be in the right headspace to take in all these people's thoughts and everything going on. I'm just curious like what everybody else is, how everyone else is feeling about social media. And has your consumption changed in any way? I feel like when I was growing up as a teenager, there was no talks about being mindful with when you're consuming it, how you're consuming it. Short form content didn't really exist then. Now, it's really scary, and I only feel like I can recognize this because I'm older, I'm grown. I can know like, oh, this is not good for me. Whereas kids and teenagers, I feel like they are not able to do that, or not likely to be able to be as like self-aware. I'm struggling as a grown-ass woman. Then I can't even imagine. Starting off with our reset, we are going to be going to the gym. I've been on and off throughout November, but I want to be a bit more consistent. Now, after the gym, I want to pop into Dollarama because I want to put up a little bit of Christmas decor. But I live in Montreal, and this city has been going off with the Christmas lights and the Christmas decor. It's contagious, okay? I'll be walking on the street, just doing a little errand, and I just end up seeing the most beautiful light display, and it just makes me feel so Christmassy. I'm like, this is so beautiful, and I kind of want to do a little 1-2-1-2 in the apartment. After Dollarama, we are going to get some meals prepped and ready for this week. I love doing that on my reset days. I'm excited to cook some like cozy meals. Kind of a side note, but because I live in Montreal and it's winter, there's always this point in late fall where everything starts getting dry. My hair starts getting dry, skin dry. Even though I'm doing my regular routine, will just always be dry. But I've added in this Bioma hydrating milky toner, and this, along with, I picked up this CeraVe. They now have like their regular moisturizing lotion, but it's intensive. So I've been pairing these two together, and my skin has been really hydrated, and I have not had that dry feeling since I've started using them. And you guys can see, look at that. And this is coming from someone who was not blessed with the skin genetics lottery, okay? Acne prone skin, long history of hormonal acne flare-ups and everything. If you guys ever want me to go into more detail about that and my experience and how I manage my hormonal acne, that's definitely something that's been on my list. I would love to share my experience, some of the things that I've learned to kind of like keep everything tame. I'm gonna finish getting ready, do a little bit of makeup. We finished the gym and I'm in Dollarama right now. I think I just want to get like one little tree. I kind of like this one, but I don't know if it's doing too much. And then I grabbed some ribbon because I think a great way to decorate is to just add a ribbon on things, existing things you already have in the house. When I'm back home, I've showered up and gotten changed. I'm ready to cook. I stopped at the grocery store. Today on the menu, we got beef stir fry, tuna pasta salad, shrimp, stew chicken. It's really important for me to stay on top of my food prep and like having meals available throughout the week. That's how I feel like I'm most on my, you know, on my Zoom. I like to cook at least for 3 to 4 days at a time. Really try to keep my recipes super simple, not too complicated. Anything easy, anything that I could put in the oven or the air fryer. red pepper instead of the orange pepper. I think that would make it look more visually appealing. But beef stir fry, I already had this for dinner. So yummy, my favorite recipe. I have this probably like once a week. But yes, I am so tired. I don't think we can even get to the decor tonight. So we're gonna do that first thing tomorrow morning. So I guess that makes this a 3-day reset, but I'm not mad at it. It's the next day and I'm really excited today. I woke up and the sun is shining. It's been a couple days where it's been super gloomy and I feel alive again, and it's time to decorate. Now, as I mentioned, it's nothing big. I spent a total of $20 at the dollar store just to get little small details. Honestly, nothing crazy. Do a little haul for you guys. One, I found this glass Christmas tree and you can hang up the ornaments on your own. I thought that's kind of cute, and since I don't have an actual tree that I'm putting together, like, you know, I'm just gonna substitute as a little mini putting up the tree experience. This little mini Christmas tree, I think I'm going to just place that probably back there somewhere. I also got 2 packs of lights. Let's get to decorating. We're just gonna have to make sure we put her front facing like this so no one sees what's going on in the back. Dollar store. To a close with our Christmas decor. I love how everything turned out. It's very simple, very minimal, but just these little touches have really made a difference in the space. Like, it definitely feels more festive, and again, such an interesting, easy, cheap way to decorate your home. It's like, I feel so cozy, and this boosted my mood so much. Every month in the winter, like, it's really important to be a little bit intentional, and you really have to go out of your way to find the little joys throughout winter. Like, if you live in a cold climate area, you know what's going on. Like, and if you are not someone who's ever experienced that, how does it feel to be the luckiest person in the world? On the note of being intentional, sit down and jot down a little bit about like what my, I don't want to say goals for December, because I really don't feel like I have any goals. I do have some intentions though, and I do have certain habits that I'm trying to make sure I kick, because I know it's for the better. I know that because the days are so dark and cold and like gloomy, no sun, I really have to be mindful about how I'm starting my day, you know, what activities I want to do, force myself to get out the house, even if it's cold, force that fresh air. Brainstorm, and then I'm going to share with you guys just a couple of things I came up with that can probably, maybe, hopefully help you to get through these long winter months. For the theme, I put that the theme is rest and recharge. I feel like I just want to end the month and the year and end this month on a cozy, comfy note. And I just brainstormed some ways to, like I said, help get through winter and help get through the rest of December on a good note. Number one, no scrolling in the morning. And I don't want to scroll on social media at least until 3 p.m. Like, I do have to go on to post something, that's fine, but actually scrolling and consuming media and people's thoughts, no, I have no business consuming that first thing in the morning. Making sure I'm falling asleep with my phone not beside my bed. I want to put my phone not on the nightstand, but across the room, basically forcing myself to stand up, get up, and turn off my alarm clock. That's something I want to work on for December, and I'm hoping that also helps me fix my sleeping schedule a little bit. And then I also want to stay active. It's so important to be moving our bodies during this time. Days that I don't work out, I want to at least do a stretch, and I want to make sure I'm walking every day and getting fresh air every single day. That one's going to be hard because sometimes when you look out the window and you see snow blowing, you're thinking, why would anybody want to walk through that? But it's necessary, okay? Unless it's a blizzard outside or something, or a winter storm, I need to get my daily walk at least 10 minutes, like walk the block 1 or 2 times, you know? Life is always good after a little walk. That's all I'm saying. And then lastly, social media related, I want to post 3 YouTube videos before the end of December. I have a couple ideas lined up. It's just a matter of sitting down, filming them, editing them, and posting them. And yeah, that's a wrap for December. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate your time. And you know, you could be watching anything on the internet and you chose to watch this video, so thank you so much. If you found anything helpful or liked this video in any way, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I needed this reset so bad and I'm feeling so much better than I have been in the past couple of weeks. I feel lighter, I feel nice and festive, and I'm just ready to end the year and the month off on a nice positive note. So hopefully you guys got some inspo here, and you might, you know, want to do a couple things to plan and be intentional about the rest of your month so you can end your year off strong. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.